Oh yeah, about the second tier responses, in answer to your question still, the no overview, tyranny of technique, vertical rigidity, which we understand may not be changeable, no room for creativity, said one. She said her IQ was sufficient for physics, but her OQ, her obedience quotient, was too low. The teacher was at the board saying, do it this way, and the book said do it. Then she wanted to sort of, try. She was a philosophy graduate student. Too little discussion of the substrate of the science. A model building, the uses of mathematics, and the connections to other sciences. That's what they missed, what they call the substrate, rightly or wrongly. Model building, they didn't really understand, or they weren't told clearly enough that physics is a model for understanding. They were confused about what's real, what's the model, and the uses of mathematics. We spent more time on Avogadro's number than on Avogadro's insight. That was one of my favorites. They really were taught Avogadro's number the third day, because they're going to go into lab and they're going to take Grammarly either way. And he said, where did it come from? How did anybody know that this was a constant, was going to be a constant before they could measure it? So you can tell they had intellectual questions that were unanswered. The pace, the exams, grading practice, absence of speaking, no discussion, debate, absence of community.